Good afternoon, YouTube. This is episode 5 in the Banshee rebuild. So as you can see, I've got it rolling now. We're rolling frame. I've got brand new rubber put on. These are hole shots. I got them from Rocky Mountain ATV. Pretty good price. Way better than trying to buy them in a local tire store here in Tucson. So fresh rubber. Cleaned up the rims as best I could. We've got the A-arms on. We saw that before. I've got the shocks in. I've got the rear swing arm on. Got a new sprocket on the rear. I want to talk about the brakes. So this is a 1998, and I had bought a new master cylinder for the front brakes, but all the lines going down to the block, all of these lines going down to the calipers were just gummed up. I spent about 2 hours trying to clean them with brake clean inside, and they just wouldn't clean up. They kind of looked. This is the rear one. You can see that everything is just. It's been sitting out for years. So the pistons, everything is, the gaskets, and this is all just rusted inside. I haven't pulled it apart, but I can guarantee you it is. The other ones were like that. These lines are just gummed up inside, filled with rust, filled with water. So I ordered a new master cylinder for the rear, and it comes, this is all one unit. It comes with this, it comes with the reservoir. I bought a new braided line, and I bought new calipers. So you can see this kit was right here, Javix. Got it off of Amazon. So I got all 3 full calipers, rear and the 2 front calipers complete for $50. I thought that was pretty good, because just buying new pads and new gaskets to rebuild the old ones, and then buying new what do you call it? New seals and new studs. It was almost the same price as buying brand new ones. Yeah, they're made out of Chinesium. I understand that, but it's still, I mean, I'm not going a million miles an hour on this thing, and I'm not going to drive here to California and back on it. It's just going to be for tooling around the neighborhood and for doing some light trail riding. Got the lights on, rebuilt them, took them apart, spray painted them with matte black, Rust-Oleum matte black. I think they came out pretty good looking. They look brand new. This plastic really soaks the paint in good, and you can't scratch it. It's like it soaks into the actual plastic, into the fiber. So what else? So like I said, the calipers, I got a kit to rebuild the linkage. So this is all new bushings inside here, new caps. I cleaned the Zerk fittings up. As you can see, I put new grease. I Zerked everything up, both front. And where's the other Zerk fitting? There's another, right here, there's another Zerk fitting. These are all Zerked up too, the front ones. They're all, you can see some grease coming out right here. Yeah, so these are all, everything is ready to go. Shock is still pretty good. Put in, this is the old CDI, new wiring harness. So this is from here back all the way up. This is all new. The old wiring harness was just, I mean, just in tatters, as you can see here. Some of the wires were just frayed. The connections were just in horrible shape. So now this is a Caltrick Caltrick, I've used Caltrick stuff before in the past. Pretty good quality for Chinesium. It was only I think $30 for the complete wiring harness. So, and you know, we have all new fittings, new gaskets inside there. I am using, where are you? I am using dielectric grease when I'm putting everything back together again, just to keep, so I put dielectric grease in here, just to keep the moisture out, to keep the fittings clean and the electrodes clean, and you can get them on and off a lot easier. I had a hard time getting these apart. They haven't probably been apart since 1998, since this thing was built. So that's everything. So we got new wheels, electrics are back together again, all the way down. I have the coil in and ready. Lights are on, lights are hooked up, both sides were hooked up. Brakes are in. I haven't charged them all. They're not charged up, they're just on. What else? I still have to dial in the alignment on the wheels. I think it's still a little cockeyed. I gotta fix that. I gotta get that dialed in a little better. And that's about it. Really don't have anything much else to talk about. This is, I put in new bearings and bushings in the steering. Steering is nice, and I mean, it is smooth. It is really, almost can do it with one finger. So, all new steering linkage too. This is brand new. Got that from Rocky Mountain ATV. They sell the entire kit with the connecting joints, the tie rod, and it's an adjustable tie rod. So these brake lines are stainless steel and pretty good. I got them on Amazon. It's this brand, Galfer. So I'm pretty impressed with them. Nice clean looking block. The one thing is, it doesn't work with the original OEM block. Fits right here. There's a bolt that's supposed to go in right there. You can see it. So you gotta find a screw or a screw or nut or whatever that'll fit through there. I just had a bunch of parts laying around, so I just put this together myself. And there's 3 holes here, so you can mount however you want. It mounted perfect like that. It comes with everything. It comes with the copper washers, and it comes with the fittings, the bolts to fasten into the block and then to fasten into the calipers. So, but I actually used, the calipers came with their own. I don't know if you can see, those are greenish. I use those. So, yeah. So that's everything. All right. Next installment, hopefully soon. I'm trying to get this thing put together. I'd like to get it on the road within a month or so. So that is the latest. All right. Mike Machine's out. Please like and subscribe. Take care.